Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Sonos Error 1001 and 1002. How to fix. Here you will see Error 1002. Error 1002 occurs when one or more of your Sonos product fail to complete the update process. This error is most commonly seen if you are using a Sonos bridge. Below are some common steps you can take to resolve the error. Reboot your Sonos products. Reboot all of your Sonos product. If you have a Sonos bridge, make sure it is rebooted as well. Once you have rebooted all of your Sonos product, make sure they all show up in the Sonos app and try the update again. Remove your bridge from your Sonos system. Once you have successfully updated your Sonos system, they recommended removing your bridge to avoid this error in the future. So you will need to consider this thing. And here you will see. If you struggle error code 1002 with ICA Symphonic, then you will need to follow these steps. Update the Sonos app to the latest version and factory reset your speaker. Unplug the power cord, hold down the play button, plug the power cord back in and wait about 10 seconds until the green light appears. This completes the factory reset. So this is the second thing you need to try. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.